TM Innovative Solutions.
Difference in comparison. Joint Photographic Experts Group or JPG images are known to include a background. By default, every photograph taken by a camera will consist of both the subject and the particular environment at the time. Portable network graphics or PNG images are created digitally or edited by computer programs to include solely the subject. Both file formats can work hand in hand, depending on the project's specifications. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that you don't miss out on our next video.